Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Heat of combustion depends on two main factors: A, the total number of carbons hydrogens, molecular formula, i.e., more carbons is equal to more heat released, and B, ring strain. More strained molecules have higher internal energy and therefore release more heat upon combustion. Moving on to the next step. Substance 1, methylcyclopentane C6H12. Substance 2, CIS 1,2 dimethylcyclobutane C6H12. Substance 3, cyclohexane C6H12. Substance 4, trans 1,2 dimethylcyclobutane C6H12. All four compounds are isomers with molecular formula C6H12, so the number of carbons and hydrogens is the same for all. Moving on to the next step. Since all are C6H12, the compound with the greatest ring strain will have the highest heat of combustion. It has more stored potential energy. Cyclobutane ring, 4-membered, has significantly more ring strain, 110 kJ mol total, than cyclopentane, 5-membered, 26 kJ mol, or cyclohexane, 6-membered, 0 kJ mol. Among the dimethylcyclobutanes, CIS 1,2 dimethylcyclobutane, substance 2, has greater ring strain than trans 1,2 dimethylcyclobutane, substance 4, due to additional torsional steric strain from having both methyls on the same phase. Methylcyclopentane, substance 1, has intermediate ring strain, 5-membered ring. Cyclohexane, substance 3, has essentially zero ring strain, chair conformation. And for the final step, CIS 1,2 dimethylcyclobutane, 2 trans 1,2 dimethylcyclobutane, 4 methylcyclopentane, 1 cyclohexane, 3. This gives order to 413, which matches option C. A. 1 to 4 3 incorrectly places methylcyclopentane above both dimethylcyclobutanes, ignores that 4-membered rings have more strain than 5-membered rings. B. 3-4 to 1 completely reverses the ring strain logic. Cyclohexane has least strain and should have lowest heat of combustion. D. 1-3 to 4 incorrectly places cyclohexane above dimethylcyclobutanes and methylcyclopentane above all cyclobutane compounds. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.